Because of that criminal that you are a minister, if you man is a criminal. I know. You're not the one to tell me he's a criminal. But it is because of that criminal that you are a minister, if you don't know. You have more power with us of wooden PhD.
Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TV GH so what friend me Ajua searching. I was for and Krea Ebe every a year Joseph Yamin whenever. Straight to NDC phone and watch a Galamsyers phone. Mudo Joseph Yamin is a person catch him when NDC for say. Nya soften the Mumba power. Nya Mumpai Bobby, Nya Mon sacrifice beer. A ye Galamsyers site na. Mukodina ho catch almost a month to a bema. Nasa mobile bema, mobile free license. Mubejo mu free no more say yensu na yensa ase no. E bosa na mo de kwasho mo no mu di so. Nti chichira mo chicho mo ne de. Munje nsem hu na mu di no because enyam paibo bi na de NDC bath so. You see, we were in this country and a journalist for youth ni bi. A omo ye funti. Omo wo particular party. A o kakon so omo ye neutral. And no journalist for omo gina TV so. National television so oh you when my politics are for media ni muna by your politics and pen in consasem list of in Crawford more GH1 TV3 and here our appointment for Flagstaff House no more do much two position and no Ghana Metro TV na account. These were the journalists they sat on their platforms and spoke against Galamsyers say yensu na yensa say. In fact, Omo Kanya can say His Excellency the former president now Danko Akufo-Addo and declare state of emergency because NPP are buying say the yensa say. Meanwhile, na ye wo in penifobia omo NDC mu to say kwaku bu ahemo akwa akogina Galamsyers site. If I remember 2020, akoka achemo say vote for NDC when we come. Ye be mama ye mo Galamsyers ejuma no. O mamu fi Ghana for monto aba no mayen ye ba. But nanado former president e de ne presidency eto so say obekwa tia Galamsyers. Ghana fo nipa bonefo ehwehwe anim fo ya mbeto omo ka. Awo hu abrabo ano. Omo ampene na Galamsyers yenko. NPP from Penifu to be, NDC from Penifu to be, a soft to Galamsyers ni bi, almost fire who says University assassin vessel, Yanqua de Yambu cram almost job with Tamode, who was and Boamoya, the Moya near, ye to go daddy and Samba catching and say and stop it. NPP are buying at the Galamsyers Aquada. NDC buyer, Galamsyers ni the chasers are say cry. Journalists no mood in same who already was in a TV show. Any appointments. So they are quiet now. They've kept quiet, enjoying their position, forgetting, say, when even the NPP was in power, no, then assassin should be say, Obu refuse NDC by no, a way so on my way, we all go suffer. Say Joseph Yamin say, my mina and this organizer had a bisu no so the white sister who couldn't tell them Galamsyers site, madam, go and sit down. Go and sit down. Then this is one shock when we want Galamsyers now hide because Galamsyers and the one by power. Young is a friend say Joseph Yamin and the Etuja.
Because of that criminal that you are a minister, if you man is a criminal. I know. You're not the one to tell me he's a criminal. But it is because of that criminal that you are a minister, if you don't know. You have more power with us of wooden PhD in theology. 2024 man, sorry, me sorry them. Just to let the NDC win. Power. So that is a criminal. But it is because of him you are a minister. And I ever tenacity now genuine people to give them job in this country. Man is a one media. The person who is telling you is a criminal, no, say you are no anchor on your minister. Now let me tell you, say contract we say anchor criminal no wa obi anya we say had that. if that is the reason why you won't give that contract. But you know that's how I fight.
But that's why you are always in trouble.
That is the point.
You are always in trouble.
Because I hate say Obi Aya Diani Tianaka. I hate it. I sit down and I weep. Nipa way. And then one who says, "How are you, Galamsyers?" Onu naji office ama watima quality resource record time in Ashanti region that the MPP couldn't manipulate the election. Oh, Gigi Sikanama mono na we minor onye nena NDC ba ya wayo. It's not saying that manan konkoye. The machines now machino. Ebi mo 96 and the ono no o beji free no hono. Machine isi ho dey bia otiaka. Go through the process and release for that person 2 months. Okay, near my story. So there's a huge discontent within our party folks on the ground. So you numbia yanje appointment and your management, because at least only said there's somebody who can talk to near means be near here. And that is the reason why you're too very have moved to almost all the regions. And yes, even this year appointments, because you can somewhere better than ABP, but at least we're able to talk to them, the expectations, and your person may not get it, but that is not to say, BBR said there's a lot of time within throughout. I'm taking upon myself to want to do that because they are NDC in Ghana government. Far better than the MPP. And the Yanyana NDC international. Na dollar ya na ya kogirigiri aba for me and businessmen. For the first time in history of Ghana, the businessmen go for a buying because dollar na eba from. I mean see that and do manage it. There's insecurity in this country. I conform and you're complete there, but at least.
Wallahi mi do nyame. Kawana di ne ho besi wo so wo ye campaign Galamsyers ni bie no akobe follow da. Ana ke yempe na ado no kura ke be fa ne saa ke be to ama bawumia mo ene wo de obeye bia de da se gold ne kone mu. Yanya de saa mutimi eba no matake aduma wi no mo de ebi wo kura driver fo mato abawi na driver fo na ehunu amane. Na driver phone ene de obia fimu gold for ye etu gold ye ne mahama ne Mr President ne Sami Demfi ye ne yesi ye hu amane wo mansem eni ye ya adwuma ne ye ya adwuma ne gu se wo ba ye adwuma boka twitwiri di akọ site unyeska me se ebi mu na ntimi nkasa o what me bra bi na tia no wa break it 3 weeks Nemuti wamaimu yani ya tu abama mu ye ma ya ade ne de aba ye se ade na ma ye no mu de mu to gold ne 100 million po ma ye kura ye be fa ne saa ete na wo de akọ no enye Ghana for na kase yesura se me ke dis ye ne Galamsyers ko enso bobo e onu le to mu ankran ade na mu de awusa ye to mu ankran ye timi ko hye nwura aduma ye nanu bi na ahyehye ma no petro site na ahyehye ma no aduma ya NDC for ya petro adi wo ma bodu se nyina ahye onse fa ewa na fa etia enu no mani nto nwi ba ko onse ayko na ba ko ni nyina ahye ye di hu akukuhwe ase ko ye gold de ba momote office ya monko ba bia mosimi to gold na 80 million we dis here demonstration ko tia wa o ya kro mo on be ya no be ye o mu ya say o mu tu hospital for say nto mpe no mo kwasa afọ ye so mu na mu di awusa ye ni ye gold adwuma bia mo di yawu mo ma ya bra bokro esenke ma jini nyina enti mu gugala na se mu ye ana mu beku no mesin na mu mie opi mu mie mu si ento aba foforo sisi ye sem mahama be fa mo nsre ye mu ba mo si ye da bi ye be to aba foforo sisi ya ade no toni ye na mfiva na mfiva o so ye ni problem na ade mfiva mo nko a ye de me mfiva ye
Galamsyers no kwa die kwa ya modi afa so Galamsyers le die.
Are. Anwadi 80 million. Are.
Go to 130 something 30 million. Now they are here for 100 million, 105. Now they are finding
no more 130 million. No more the qual a drum as well. And for so many more come the back. And I come back on 130 million. Wunya kalata 23 kalata wunya. Ade aye na mo ba o man ni mu a ye wo mu amama ye ho kire mu di ewu na mo boy abro sa na mo de bia ma ye sepe ne ye timni aye ABC 40 wo